Yeah. Four good friends and the tanks are full. July rolled in and the weather pulled. Washington shining, not a cloud in sight. Every day's another perfect night. Two couples laughing, nowhere to race. Just good conversations and a slower pace. Cast off the lines, leave the dock behind. The mad dog knows exactly where to find another harbor, another tale. Wind in our faces and a steady sail. These are the days we'll laugh about forever. Four good friends getting lost together. Two husbands, two wives, one heck of a crew, making the kind of memories you wish you could redo. From port to port with the sun riding high, watching another perfect Washington sky. If life's about moments, then we've hit the jackpot. Because the best part ain't the boat, it's the people on the mad dog. It's the people on the mad dog. Ooh. Someone yells wildlife every hour or two. Half the time it's a duck pretending it's new. Then Sir Cilium makes his royal debut, barking like he owns the whole marina too. Need a problem solved? Well, don't you fear, MacGyver somehow got the answer here. When somebody walks with that cool-eyed stare, James Bond's aboard, fills the salty air. No fancy plans, no perfect route. Somehow that's what it's all about. The stories grow with every tide, and every laugh is amplified. Here's to the